Well, I'm starting a new project here. This is the design in Fusion 360. This is going to be a bar cabinet, and it's about 28 inches wide, about 20 inches deep, and about 5 feet 6 inches tall. The case and everything inside it will be cherry, and the door fronts here and the drawer front here will be determined later. It could be some kind of decorative painted door or front, or I have some spalted pecan that might work in this application. We'll determine that a little later. I just sourced 100 board feet of 5/4 wide cherry today for the case, etc. And we're going to get started. Let me give you a little guided tour here. There's a big drawer here at the bottom for liquor bottles. That's using Salice undermount slides. And then there's a slightly less tall drawer here for shorter liquor bottles, maybe tall glassware. I know that the large bottle of Angostura bitters will fit in there. And then there's a small drawer here on the top for stirring spoons, strainers, and the remote control device for the lighting, which you can see here. This is LED lighting strips in a 45-degree aluminum housing. There's racks with movable shelves on pins here for glassware on the doors, and this has got a mirror on the back with battens to secure the mirror that can be easily removed in case it gets broken or needs to be changed. I'll show you what this looks like with the doors closed. There we are. And then I'll take off the back, and let's see, cabinet back, there we go. You can see the stuff for the lighting. We've got an IEC socket here on the bottom that goes to a DC power supply to a remote controller, and there's a little handheld remote that talks to this thing that controls the intensity of the lights. You can see the wiring going up through side channels, and I'll take the top off and you can see what that looks like right there. So I've got a little channel all the way down for the wiring, and I'll take off the side so you can see what it looks like when it's closed. So we've got about 5-6 millimeters between those surfaces. I'm using KV slides here, self-close and latching. Anyway, that's my current project. The cherry was delivered today, and I'm going to get started machining that this weekend. I'll keep you posted on the progress. Enjoy.